Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Liquid Web Server Management Alerts. To begin, visit the Liquid Web website. Locate the login section at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Find the Account tab or section within the dashboard. Click on Account to access your account settings. Scroll down to the Notifications or Alert Settings section. Select the option to manage server management alerts. Choose the alerts that are relevant to your needs. For each alert type, you will typically see options to receive notifications via email or SMS. Select your preferred method for each alert type. Make sure to enter any required contact information if you choose email or SMS notifications. Once you've made your selections, look for a Save or Update button. Click on the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. After saving, check for a confirmation message indicating the alerts have been successfully set. You can return to the alert settings at any time to modify your preferences. This completes the process of subscribing to Liquid Web Server Management Alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.